morning, people. Welcome back to our channel. Thank you for your support. Thank you for helping us to share. Thank you for helping us to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for liking this channel. Really, this channel is growing all because of you guys. Thank you very much. As you all know, here we give you latest gist about celebrities. We give you things happening around the world. Here we give you hot. Like here, we give you raw.
So my people, like play, destiny can be delayed, cannot be denied. Oh. Now for this Sophia Momodu matter and Davido, now say no, my people, because as we dey see these boats now, at last, you go be like say two of them go hand. My people, you dey ask why? Because why? Just this week now content when Davido do, we can't see Senator match now and Sophia Momodu wear, and that one no your be the old thing. The matter be said in catch phone, in the happy when they around Davido. But some of our commenters now una know their math how e dey be. They can't let us know say Sophia Momodu dey blackmail Davido with Imade because in they try they bring Imade on the picture so that in go dey near Davido. My people are true be down. But I believe say if Davido no want her, he no want her. He get right because na him be the papa of Imade. He get right to tell am say, give me my daughter, I wan go out with my daughter, or I want my daughter follow me go show. He get right to take her daughter out. So why people now, our commenter association come dey talk say now say our beautiful Sophia Momodu now dey blackmail Davido with Imade, making for the sick chance to take day with Davido. But my people, how una see this matter? For me, I not believe that. I believe same Davido himself still dey in love with our beautiful Sophia. Now they make her in because in the day comfortable with Sophia. Because if you know the day comfortable with Sophia, as Sophia dey dey around am, I no believe say go accept am. If you just tell Sophia, as I said before, say make Sophia give am me pikin, make him go out with am. So make Sophia stay. But for Sophia to the day where Davido dey, meaning Davido dey love the matter. So they love Sophia around her. My people, this matter they go. If you even see video, I go drop video where you go see the way Sophia even they greet Davido uncle, all of them. May you see the way they love that Davido family because she wants me she go there because our commenters come they let us know say Choma don't lose the place for Davido body now. Because why now? Because Sophia now don't take position. The way Sophia they do now, they don't think say Choma go still come Davido life again. My people, we don't know wetin to talk because this week we go yes na Choma night dey born. Next week we go yes na Sophia dey born. So it be like say Davido just a cash cruise with these babes because we not gonna know. Last week na Ian Choma night just see the cruise they go. Now this week he and Sophia just see the cash cruise they go. I believe say the guy they enjoy waiting in they get from this, the play when they get from all these women hand. So in they enjoy am. Now make her in they keep their company because if not, if I don't say no is no, you don't understand. Because if una watch Sophia Momodu for this video when I won't drop, una go see how he dey happy for this show where Davido do. When he and the daughter go, you go see how he dey happy. Even said he and Davido come wear to match red. My people, this matter he get as it a day. Can't even carry her daughter join. We be imagine all of them go the party. My people, this matter it dey sweet me one kind. But some people say man, you not let me too sweet me like that. So because why? Na Choma get Davido. My people, we never know whether na Choma get Davido because the way we dey see her now, we dey feel say na Sophia get Davido because we know say Sophia senior Davido by far. He senior Davido with almost 10 years. But that one I just age, my people, age na number. When love dey their age, they can't. Because we know say also say the family of Davido not like Sophia. They don't want Sophia. But if na dear Davido heart, then nobody go fit stop her. Because I believe now because Davido love Sophia. Because if you not love Sophia, I don't think say go they need them around. Because a lot of people they say that because of Imade, now make Sophia they come close to Davido. My people how see that one. I believe say two of them still love themselves. Because if they not love themselves, there are different way, because that image go get nanny or you go get person wey go fit take care of am as the video they do wherever they do. So my people, how una see this matter? This one are waiting just they go on. So now say make I let una know say Sophia and Davido don't come back again, no, because this their love bed, it don't they ring the thing, it don't they make sense everywhere now. Because if you see Sophia now, the way she take they happy, because even commenters drop and say why be say for all these years when Davido take move to Chioma, why be say Sophia not post one boyfriend or more? Yes, say this one a boyfriend or his boyfriend. Why be say he not get any relationship? Who he can't they wait for? So my people, now Davido he they wait for. I believe say the guy don't wait up to this extent. He know say he go win a man back again. Now make him wait. If you see how in they happy for this concert, and she not they ashamed to even do videos, even post say my people. Now say my let una know say nah. Sophia and Davido now they rock her now. Chioma, we don't know what happened to Chioma, because Chioma now not did the picture at all. Chioma just did one corner now. Now Sophia, because a lot of commenters come they and say why Chioma not come the concert, why Chioma not did that show, why be say na Sophia Momodu come did there. Now Chioma supposed did there. My people, I don't know why Chioma not come, because I believe say Chioma and Davido maybe they never still get good place. Now concern they never, two of them never see they agree. Now make Chioma not come. But I believe in Sophia, because if you watch the video, you go see how happy Sophia dey. Because anytime when in there with Davido like this, in the like they want make people know say in there with Davido, you know they hide down. Because for her not to dey hide down, meaning say she gets assurance say Davido na a man, because anytime he and Davido dey una watch the time when they still go vacation everything, she still post am. She dey like post am anytime when he and Davido dey. She no dey hide down. She want make the public know say na me and Davido dey, we dey together, we dey catch fun, we dey catch cruise. You know, understand my people? So I too like her way, because she not send even how commenters drop insult commentary, she not dey send though, she still dey do one, because she let us know say she go make herself happy no matter what people they talk. It don't want to consign her. My people, as we they talk, so Davido and Sophia, they in love. They don't renew their love again. They are two now, and they cruise the town. I just they happen. So that's my let you know. I beg, if you don't watch up to this extent and you never subscribe, what you they wait for? I beg, hit on that subscribe button, put your post notification bell on, so that you go there notify whenever I upload new video. My people, una understand, when I drop on a comment, what una think about this matter? Una feel say waiting Sophia Momodu do when in say they post all this video, when and the video till the day, whether na writing they do, or now true say in the blackmail the video with him, they making for the get time with the video. What's on reason for the matter? Wanna drop na comment for the comment section. So my people, make I drop the video, make una see wetin happen for the party.
Hi Made. Are you excited?
It's Cherry on the beat.
Lexi, Cherry for the beat, yeah. Mi amor, que paso te quiero mucho. Baby, why you have to go? It's time to shine. Darling, why you have to go? It's time to shine. You must cure my crazy, oh, baby. You must cure my crazy, oh. Jaye, Simone, si blesses. You must jaye, Simone, si blesses. Hey, jaye, Simone, si blesses. Give me that touch, you want my baby, 'cause I want to rock you to the money time. Give me that touch, you want my baby, 'cause I want to rock you to the money time. Can you give me some good shots, and you make me to turn up? Can you give me some good shots? And you make me to turn up, hey. Muna Gigebi, your love is all I see, yeah. Muna Gigebi, your love is all I see. Jaye, oh, Pese. You must jaye, Simone, si blesses. You must jaye, Simone, si blesses. Hey, jaye, Simone. She blesses, jaye, Simone, she blesses. See my girl, you too classic. Me, I know money, no glasses. The way you want make me flashy. Back on the place like a matches. Hey, baka, boko, baka.